Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video it's more of a recap video of everything I've done this last year, 2019. I've just added all the parts that I'd built. I added obviously the foremast and the main mast, obviously the main yard, and pretty much just everything that I've built so far. So this video is just going to be a bit of a recap. I've just filmed Victory from all the angles, obviously from all the from the bow and the stern. Obviously as the video progresses I've also added some previous photos from obviously when I started building Victory back in March. So okay, so obviously hope you enjoyed the video. well, that was just a quick video to show you all the progress of Victory I've done this last year. It's really moved on. I'd probably say it's around about 60 days, 70 days build time. So yeah, I don't think that's too bad. I think actually if I'd not started filming this halfway through, I think I'd have probably be finished by now, but hey ho, I've really enjoyed this last year. So without further ado, I'd just like to wish you all Happy New Year. I'm going to start off in the new year having a bit more free time, so hopefully I can get some more videos out on a lot more regular basis. So anyway, thanks for all for watching my videos. Thanks for everybody who subscribed, and I'll see you all in the new year.